Lagos is big. I hope my new job goes well today. This city is my chance. Good morning, everyone. You must be the new girl. Yes, my name is Jane. Welcome to the office. Let me calm down. Just do your work well.
Don't worry, first day is always stressful.
I think I made a mistake on this computer.
Relax, we will figure it out. Everyone stop what you are doing. Jane, I need you to review this immediately. Who touched this file?
I don't know. Can you believe that this movie scenes were created using AI? No camera, no expensive equipment, no actors, just my phone. And I'm going to teach you how to do this. I'm also going to teach you, very importantly, how to make your characters very consistent. Very consistent in such a way that even if your character have a change of dress, a change of hair, the character will still remain the same as a normal movie setting. Even if you want to create a 1-hour movie and you have multiple characters, I'm going to show you how to make all your characters consistent. Or if you want them to have a change of dresses, they will still be consistent in all the scenes. First time coming to my channel, hi, this is Onye Creates. I teach and I create videos on using AI and free tools. And this video, you can create them using free AI tools. You're not paying anything to create your long form video. Now, the first thing to do is to have your story at the back of your mind. No, you can also go to ChatGPT and give ChatGPT an idea. Okay, create a story for a billionaire, create a story, a folktale story for me, and ChatGPT will give you story prompts. So go to ChatGPT with whatever story you have in mind and tell ChatGPT to give you prompts of your stories. ChatGPT also have a voiceover feature. You can tell ChatGPT what you want, or you can also converse with ChatGPT to get exactly what you want. So let's go to ChatGPT. ChatGPT has given me my prompts for my short story. So this story is about, I told ChatGPT, give me a story of a young lady that relocated to Lagos to be with her friend. She got a job in Lagos in a private firm. Make it a Gen Z style cinematic 4K movie and let it be very simple so that everybody can understand the story, and make it like a series story. So I'll continue the story and be posting on my as short on my channel. So let's go. ChatGPT has given me all the prompts I want. So I'm going to tell ChatGPT to give me the image prompt. So I'll go and create my images. So I've given ChatGPT my image prompt. ChatGPT is generating my image prompt for me. So I'm going to wait. ChatGPT has given me my image prompt. What I'll do is I'll highlight all the prompts and copy them. I'll open my Google Doc and save all the prompts that ChatGPT has generated for me. So I'm going to my Google Doc now. So I've saved it. I'm going to generate my images with whiskai. We have 4 characters. So go back to whiskai. So I'll click on close this. So when I get to this place, I'll click on add images. It will give you subject, scene and style. So we want to generate our images, we want to generate for subject. So we have 4 subjects. So I'll click on this, and so right here I'll copy my image prompt. And remember it's in 16 by now. I'll copy my image prompt and take it to whiskai to generate my image for me. So I'll click on enter tool. So to bring me to this place, I'll click on add image. I have 4 characters. So I'll click on this plus sign to make it 4. So this is it. I have 1, 2, 3, 4. I have scene and style. So I don't need scene and style for now. And come over here and paste it. So I paste my image prompt. So I'll click on generate. Okay, this is the image it generated for me. So I'll click on this place and I'll save the image. So I've downloaded the image. So I'll go over again to So I'll go back into my Google Docs, copy the prompt for my second image and paste it here. So I'll copy Maya. This is for Maya. I'll copy it and come back here and paste it. So I'll click on the next one and I'll paste it for it to generate as well. Okay, this is Maya. So I'll download Maya as well. Go over to my Google Docs again and copy for the other Mr. Tunde. So I'll click on this artist. I'll paste it. So I'll click on generate. Okay, this is Tunde. Tunde has been generated for me. So I'll copy the last prompt, which is for the boss. Okay, I've generated my 4 prompts. After creating all our images, the next thing we are going to do is to create our scenes. So go back to my doc where I saved all my. So I'll copy my first scene prompt. This is my first scene prompt. I'll copy it. When Ada arrives Lagos is my first scene prompt. So I'll go over to this place and paste it. And I'll take Ada. Then this is I only need Ada. So I'll close this place and now click on add description. Okay. So I'll click on send. It's generating my image. I'll click on this arrow here. This drop down arrow, I'll download it. So I'll go back again and copy my second prompt. So I think I prefer this first one. So I'll download this one. So I'll go back and copy my next prompt again. So this is how I will generate all my prompts. I'll paste it. So I'll click on add images. So I'll add Maya. So I'll click on send. If I want to create everything on this tutorial, it will be too long. So I'm going to create the remaining scenes. Go to Grok AI. Click on imagine. So here I will import one of the first video. So I'm going to copy the first dialogue, so I'll wait for Grok to generate the video. So I'm going to click on this arrow here and download it. To make this video shorter, I'm going to generate the other scenes and we'll come back and use CapCut to merge them together. After generating all our videos, we'll go over to CapCut and click on new video. So import all the videos that we've generated. So click on new video. So import all the videos we've generated. So click on add. Between one video and the other video, we'll have to animate to make it look very interesting, like a real movie. So I'll click on animation. So I'll pick page flip. So let's play our video and see how it is. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to this channel, like this video, and let me know in the comment section the next AI video you want me to create.